Tired of waiting until payday to treat yourself? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to access your earned income early? Enter Beforepay. But before you dive in, you're probably wondering, what cards does Beforepay actually accept? Good news! Beforepay is designed to work seamlessly with your existing spending habits. Here's the lowdown. Debit cards, yes. Beforepay generally works with most major debit cards issued by banks in the U.S. Credit cards, while Beforepay primarily focuses on accessing your earned income, some credit cards might be compatible. It's always best to check their specific terms and conditions. Prepaid cards, depending on the issuer and the type of prepaid card, you might be able to use Beforepay. However, there can be some limitations. Still unsure if your card is accepted? Don't worry. Beforepay's user-friendly app usually has a quick and easy way to check card compatibility. Simply enter your card details, and the app will let you know if it's eligible. But wait, there's more. Beforepay isn't just about convenience. It's about responsible financial empowerment. They offer features like flexible repayment options. Choose a repayment date that works best for you, ensuring you can comfortably repay the advance. Financial education resources. Access valuable tips and guidance on budgeting, saving, and improving your financial well-being. Building credit history. Some Beforepay programs may even help you build or improve your credit score. Beforepay aims to be a responsible and transparent service. They prioritize your financial health and offer tools to help you make informed decisions. So, there you have it. Beforepay generally accepts major debit cards and may be compatible with some credit and prepaid cards. Remember to always check their specific terms and conditions and utilize the in-app card checker for the most accurate information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.